Decade-old personalization techniques just do not work anymore. Prospects smell your sales pitch from a mile away and just ignore you. But there's one new personalization technique that gets 2 to 3 times the reply rates, and it's using product data. Here are 9 scenarios that leverage product data to get more replies and book more meetings. Let's do it. First off is when your prospects use your product in a specific way that indicates a potential to become a paid customer. In this example, reps can use the feature itself to personalize an email and suggest ways for prospects to be more successful in your product. Second is users trying out premium or sticky features like integrations. Depending on your product, integrating third-party tools might show great buying intent, which is a great signal for reps to act on. Our friend Drew Teller adds the importance of understanding the relationship between output and outcome as a rep when engaging. Next up is when accounts reach milestones in your product. The important notion here is understanding how milestones will change how customers use your product going forward. Stephen Boone from Twilio gives a great analogy with Salesforce. You can add license to your Salesforce account self-serve, no problem. And there's not much difference between your 100th license and your 110th license. But maybe something is different about the 175th license that fundamentally changes how a business should use Salesforce going forward, and that's where sales need to engage. Fourth is capitalizing on user growth, but one specific type of user growth. If you have one domain that has multiple workspaces and you see a surge in usage, there's usually a consolidation play that reps can leverage. Reps can engage to save the customer money and improve collaboration and efficiency. Number 5 is a bit more complex but super effective in booking meetings. Reps who deeply understand their customers and the roadblocks that they might face can look at product data and add value at the perfect time. This email here is focused on educating about potential roadblocks and ways to go around them, often bridging to an upsell conversation. Number 6 is when decision makers sign up. It's an opportunity for reps to provide a VIP experience, but also address untapped opportunities that the account might have in regards to their usage. Here's an example from Stephen Boone that showcases this technique perfectly. Next up is reaching out when users or accounts are nearing paywalls. Reps can write reactive emails like this one from OpinionX, or proactive emails to the paywall like this one, based on whether or not breaching that paywall would prevent users from being successful in the product going forward. Number 8 is when accounts have a surge in their usage. During surges, prospects are more likely to answer sales outreach and be open to a conversation. Note that it's crucial for reps here to differentiate between value-driven surges and normal occurrences like Black Friday for an e-commerce company, for example. Number 9 is a bonus and is contextual reachouts. They're super easy to automate and very useful in building relationships with qualified users. Here's one example from Josh Laurie, who emails users when they log in late at night. And that is it for today. If you're not a Calixa user yet, it's worth knowing that you can drive repeatable success with the 9 scenarios that I've mentioned today with Calixa playbooks. Playbooks equip reps with the next best action to take to drive high close rates. Don't forget to check out the High Intent newsletter to stay ahead of the curve on all things PLG. Peace.